I'm at Eden Steam Showers in Chobham, and today we're going to be showing you just how easy it is to build a Larvik shower.
We're going to be building the Larvik quadrant steam variant today, but these steps are broadly applicable to all variations of the Larvik. To complete this build, you'll need a spirit level, a screwdriver, an adjustable spanner, and a drill. As this is a steam model, the first thing we need to do is drill and open the drain outlet in the waste trap and attach the steam generator drain pipe. This wouldn't be necessary for non-steam Larvik models.
We then level the tray. The front skirt panel is attached by clips at the top and 2 screws on either side. Once the screws are removed, we can then pull out the skirt. We can then adjust the feet and level the tray.
Now that the tray is levelled, we're in a position to assemble the frame. There are many ways to do this, but we recommend that you position the main corner control column on the tray first before connecting it to the rear glass wall panels. These are connected with 5 nuts and bolts on either side. We can now assemble the front frame. Just place the curved door runner frame on the tray and insert the upright frame parts with fixed glass into the slots on either side. The curved frame parts are universal, but one does have a logo which should be at the top. Make sure that the small cutouts in the upright frame are at the bottom, as these need to hook over the water-retaining lip on the tray. We then connect the upright frame parts to the rear glass wall panels with 5 screws on either side. Now fit the top door runner part and secure this with 2 screws on either side. To fit the bottom screws into the curved door runner part, it will be necessary to lift the complete assembly slightly with a wooden block or similar to clear the lip on the tray. The frame can now be screwed down to the tray. First, make sure the frame is positioned correctly within the lip of the tray before drilling. Also, ensure that you don't drill all the way through the tray, as the screws are captive. The roof is ready to go on, and we can start to see the shower take shape.
The shower will only sit flush against the walls if you ensure that the frame columns are level with the rear of the tray. When you attach this roof, take care to position it so that it allows the showers to sit fully back against your walls.
Next, you'll need to get everything piped and wired up. We start by attaching the steam generator drain pipe to the column and the pipe to the overhead monsoon shower. We then run the wires to connect the speaker, ceiling light and fan. Everything matches with the symbols on the multi-plugs. Once the electrical components are connected, it's on to the final stage of the build, the doors and ancillaries. You'll need to fit the door rollers and then the handles, seals and the hand shower. Once the shower is connected to your services, the final step is to push the shower back into position and replace the front skirt panel, although we do recommend that you test all the pipes and fittings for leaks beforehand. Make sure the electrical power is isolated while you do this.
And that's it! The Larvik steam shower is fully assembled and ready to use.